Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the new VeChain video. 8.42% today up, so I'm guessing a lot of you are happy. Hope you didn't sell last night because there was a lot of fear in the market. I think it was dumping quite hard. Went below some very important resistances, supports. Broke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 4 or 5 supports that I can see on the screen right now. It was pretty bad. It was pretty bad. Unfortunately for us today, we are actually getting back up where we should be. So we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about where the bullishness is coming from, what can change, where is this going right now, and stuff like that. That said, before we actually start, check out the links down below this video. There's a Telegram link for the Telegram community if you want to join that, like a nice community. Patreon link if you need some help with speaking altcoins. We do something called daily altcoins there. There's a button there for subscribing to this channel. There is a button for liking the video. There is also comment section. Like, there's a whole bunch of things happening right below this video, so do check it out. That said, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with VeChain. Now VeChain, this is yesterday's candle over here, so we're gonna just remove a little bit these lines. Yesterday candle we dropped pretty hard, and you can see here it was kind of bearish because we broke this red line, that's the 20 moving average, and the white line, that's 10 moving average. So we broke some moving averages that were very important. This is on the daily time frame, so we broke some moving averages that were very important, and I know a lot of people, when you get below these moving averages, like, it can indicate downtrend. Fortunately for us, Bitcoin decided, like, nope, this is just a dump, get rid of weekends, and we're gonna continue going up. So this candle up here today is actually looking quite nice. Now, for example, right now XRP is pumping to 14%. When I made the video, it was up 5%. So it was sitting below the 10 and 20 moving average, but right now it's pumped above it. So we still got like 11-12 hours left to get back above the 20 moving average, because that's where we were for the last 3-4 days before we dumped yesterday. So we want to actually get back above the 20 moving average. That said, we don't have to do that. As long as we can close above 0.2 and stay above the 0.2, I think we're gonna be fine. I think we're gonna be fine as long as we can do that, because the 10 moving average is actually important one. So if we can close above the 10 moving average up here, now all kind of lines popped up. If you can close above 10 moving average up here and stay above it, then the 10 moving average, which will eventually pull us above the 20 moving average and pull us on the upside as well. So we want to get above certain resistances that were previously supports, and that includes this 10 moving average and 20 moving average. You can see also here that we hit it with the wick exactly on the line. Wait. You can see here clearly that on the wick we actually hit it on the dollar, so that's indication that that's important resistance to break. So once we start going up, you can see the price is dancing up and down. People are trading, people are getting into all kind of altcoins right now. Once we get above the 0.28, I think that we're gonna be golden again. If we can close, best bullish scenario for today, like the most bullish thing that can happen today, is closing above this line over here, 0.21. If you can close above that, it's gonna be gold. That's gonna be. Do you know why? Because this candle is red candle. I think close above it. Number one, we are going to accomplish two things. First, we're gonna accomplish that we are above the 10 and 20 moving average, which is very bullish. The first. Number two, we're gonna get something called bullish engulfing candle, and I've been talking about these candles a long time on this channel. So if you're following, you know the importance of bullish and bearish engulfing candles. Now, engulfing candles means that this candle is bigger in its entirety of the body than the previous candle. So this candle, this red candle, goes from here down to here, and now we want this green candle to go all the way up and be bigger than the previous candle. That's a bullish signal, because that means that bulls, the people that want the price to go up, are a lot stronger than the bears. So bears managed to push the price this far, but bulls managed to pull the price all the way up here. Means they have more power than the bears. Means it gives it a lot of bullishness. So maybe we can hit two ducks in one stone, with one stone, something like that, you know, two something with one something. We're gonna accomplish two things with one something, okay? Two breaking off the resistances with one move. something like that. Okay, let's see how this looks. Let's pop some where are my lines? There are my lines. Let's talk about these lines from before. Now, if you haven't watched previous VeChain videos, let me just explain you what is happening here. Down here we had some kind of support levels that we are talking about. We should, if we go down, we have to hold the supports. Now that's why I'm saying all kind of supports were broken yesterday. The 20 moving average got broken. This 0.27 got broken. This 197 got broken. The 10 moving average got broken. This area got broken. All kind of resistances got broken yesterday, and that's why everybody was so fearful, because all the resistances were broken. There are some kind of last line resistance that we had here at 0.16. Fortunately, never got that back, but this was really fearful, and I think a lot of people were, at least those that know technical analysis, like, today got to be the day that we get back, because if we don't get back on the next day, like it's gonna be like hell. You know, if you go down here and you don't do, you know, pull back, if you just continue like this, like it's terrible. So it's good thing we are actually getting back up again. So we're gonna remove the supports, because who needs supports when you're going up, right? Who needs supports when you're going up? We're gonna remove 0.19 as well, and we're gonna keep this up resistance at 0.27 and stuff like that. So it looks nice, it looks good. There was this also this line of support that we broke here diagonally. So once we start getting back up, this gonna also stop us a little bit. So we got few resistances that we have to break today, but hopefully we can manage to get through that. Let's see how this looks on 4 hourly. Now on 4 hourly, to be in an uptrend, you gotta be above all the moving averages: 10, 20, 50, 100 moving and 200 moving average. So here are the moving averages, right? And you want to be above all the moving averages, because that will indicate uptrend. So as long as you are not above the moving averages, that means that moving averages are acting as a resistance above you and are slowing the progress. So if you want to pump, you gotta get above moving averages. So on the 4 hourly time frame, that's the first step to actually to get some decent pump, to continue pumping on the daily chart, and that means we gotta get above this level up here. This is a very important level up here. That's at the 20 is at 0.26. So if we can get the price above that on the 4 hourly and start if you can get the price above that and start climbing upwards, it can look quite nice. It can look quite nice. But right now you can see here that this red candle on the 4 hourly chart is actually giving it some kind of resistance. So whether we're gonna manage to do that right now or not, it kind of depends, because this 10 moving average is kind of down, so it has to do some kind of a swing, big swing, to actually pull the price up. But you can see here it's trying to break the resistance. It's trying to break. Now XRP managed to break resistance. Other altcoins are breaking all kind of resistances. So today is a resistance breaking day. So I think there is a good chance that we might actually get above this 0.206 level. But like we said, for today, for the big kahuna, for the best possible ending, we should get above this level up here at 0.21. If we get that, like, tomorrow is gonna be superbly nice day, unless, you know, Bitcoin decide, nope, we're gonna go down again. Let's put some more fear into the into the altcoin hodlers. That's it, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching the channel, thanks for watching the video, thanks for watching the VeChain update. Check out the links below, to the Telegram link, the Patreon link, very important one, the subscribe button, the like button, the comment section. There is always something happening below the video. Check that out. That's it. Thanks for watching again. See you around tomorrow for a new update on VeChain. Bye bye.